Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a really nice natural luminous glow using the Buxom Divine Goddess palette. This palette offers 3 luminous shades, all in which influencer shade Mitchell helped named. There's Venus, Luna, and Athena, ranging from light to dark. These highlighters are gel to powder formula, meaning when you swatch them, they feel very like jelly. However, when you apply to the skin, they set in the form of a powder in order to give you a really nice dimensional glow. So here are all 3 swatched. I'm going to use the one in the middle to start, and I'm going to use it to highlight my cheekbones. And I'm just going to take a highlighter brush in order to do that. So I like this highlighter palette because it gives you a really nice natural glow. However, you have the option to intensify it. The first layer will give you a really nice inner glow. However, if you want a more intense glow, you can always go in with a second layer. One thing that's amazing about this highlighter is that it's not cakey whatsoever, so there's no such thing as putting too much on. So after I highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to take this lighter shade, Venus, and I'm going to apply that to the tip of my nose and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to take the darkest shade Athena and I'm going to apply a little bit of that above my brow bone. This gives me a really nice glow. I don't know what this does, but whenever I highlight my forehead just a little bit, it makes my whole face just glow. Now I'm going to go back into the shade Venus and highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to actually mix 2 shades, Venus and Luna, and I'm going to highlight my inner eye corner. To lock the highlight in place, I'm just going to use a setting spray. Now, this part is for my extra people. If you want to be extra, you can actually apply this to your lips. It's super comfortable. It's super duper lightweight. Like I'm saying, this does not build up. It's not cakey whatsoever. So you can add it to your lips and apply your gloss on top in order to mix them. And you get a really nice shimmery lip color. If you want to be even more extra, you could take these highlighters and highlight your collarbone. I love doing this. If you're wearing like a shirt that shows like your shoulders and collarbone, then definitely do this because it just looks really nice in photos too. So I pretty much just showed you guys how to highlight in literally every way possible. So if you're interested in recreating this look, be sure to check out the Buxom Divine Goddess palette, available on both Ulta and Sephora, as well as BuxomCosmetics.com.